back, you guys. We're live again with live actually possible. I don't want to scare you guys. Possible Derecho coverage. This is really not good. So this is really gonna be mainly some really not good times. Tornado warning has been issued for northern Texas. Radar indicated tornado warning. We just got a tornado warning for Texas. Pretty good velocity couplet, I'd say. Pretty defined couplet. I just want to tell you guys, hello. Whoever joined, I actually, for some reason, my screen will not share, so I apologize. It will not, my screen will not be shared until about later. So, yeah. So tornado warning for northern Texas, pretty defined velocity couplet. We can see, sorry you can't see on what I'm doing, but if you were with me on my screen, you would be able to see. So, supercells starting to form into a line. We just had a report of 1.5 inch of hail in diameter, and just to the south of Garden City. That squall line is going to quickly move off to the north. And actually, I think we could get a possible tornado warning for a pretty rural area in Kansas. Actually, if it really goes anywhere, it's going to be to the north of Pierceville and go towards Cal Vista. Probably not going to be a significant tornado ahead of the warm front. From what I'm seeing currently, the Storm Prediction Center currently so far has issued a moderate risk, 3 hail reports, 2 wind reports, I believe. And today we do have a moderate risk for severe weather, an elevated risk of fire weather. Tomorrow we have a slight risk of severe weather and an elevated risk of fire weather. And then on Tuesday we have no severe but a critical risk. On Thursday we have an enhanced risk and a critical risk of fire. Then we have a slight risk for March 3rd, which is Friday. I am really sorry that I cannot share my screen. It's really annoying that I can't. I do have a program that will help me be able to do that, but I don't know why, but it is not working today, so that is pretty annoying. There's been a moderate risk of severe weather. Storm Prediction Center just issued an enhanced risk of severe weather, and this is definitely can be a bad day in terms of severe weather. I think we could see some potential historic derecho for what going for me, and probably showing that for all the other weather enthusiasts out there. But yeah, so tornado warning for Perryton, Texas. Rain made really rural, actually. If I go ahead and check the tornado warning that just happened, tornado warning in Texas right now. Okay, so we have a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning, I believe. So some high winds are likely for sure with any of you guys in the moderate risk. And actually, I'm seeing a tiny little velocity couple, but it does not align with any storms. Um, the higher potential for tornadoes is not going to exist right now. It's probably going to be a higher potential once we get in later in the day. But yeah, so we have the tornado warning for northern Texas. Pretty defined velocity couplet is intensifying. I do see a debris signature, but the problem is that's likely from hail. So that's the really annoying part. 5 storm reports so far. Two 1-inch hail report. One hail report of 1.5 inches. Then we did have a third wind report, but it's not showing up on the Storm Prediction Center. A 50, then a 60, and then a 70 mile per hour wind gust. It's showing, at least for me, and it's looking like it's gonna get bad. Starting pretty soon. Because we do have, first of all, a tornado warning. We do have a bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings ranging from Garden City, Kansas, down to about Canyon, Texas / Claude, Texas, that area. I'm really sorry. Oh, second tornado warning of the day right here, and we have 2 tornado warnings. 2 tornado warnings have been issued. One has been 2 have been issued for Texas. One for Texas. Okay, so there isn't actually 2 tornado warnings, but we just got the news that a second tornado warning is on the ground. It's not on the ground, but it is in Kansas. Actually, a very defined couplet. I think we could see a potential tornado from this, except it's probably going to have a lot of trouble getting in that warm air because it's right along the warm front / the so okay, so it probably will. Okay, so it's looking like something bad is about to happen. So we got a tornado warning for Ravenna, Kansas, and Cal Vista, Kansas. I did think this would probably prompt a tornado warning. And then we do have another tornado warning for Perryton, Texas, and the surrounding areas. So if you know anybody who lives in this area, you should probably let them know and tell them, okay, third tornado warning. 3 tornado warnings on prompted just now. 3 tornado warnings right now. So 3 tornado warnings right now, actually. Believe it or not, they've been issuing a couple, actually. If we check there's live body cam footage. It does not seem to appear of anything significant. He's not in the storm exactly yet, but he is, sort of. And I think that if this tornado warning that's at the south towards Wheeler and Mobile, that could actually prompt an observed tornado warning. For Dodge City, you guys definitely need to be aware, because to the northwest, you guys have got a tornado warning. So 3 tornado warnings live right now, and pretty. Rotation is weakening a little bit in the supercell towards Ravana and Calistine, or Cal Vista and Kansas. Now we definitely gotta watch out for Texas and Oklahoma because those storms are just starting to cross near the Oklahoma border and they're starting to get in there. So gotta be aware of that. I can see right now where they are, just past Amarillo, Texas. Pretty defined velocity couplet now. Can see there's a couple tornado warnings actually, 1 in Kansas and 2 in Texas, and they're all separate tornado warnings. But if we check the Storm Prediction Center right now, we have that moderate risk still. A 4th hail report. Actually a little surprising because hail is pretty much the main threat. So 3 reports of wind, 4 reports of hail. Very active right now. Very, very active. And if you guys live in any of these areas, you guys, you know what you got to do. I say this in every single video, that if any of you guys live in that prone area, you need to take safety precautions. So, So 3 wind reports and 4 hail reports. And we could see hail over 2 inches in diameter, so that's definitely not good. I need to real quick check. I believe I'm still going live. Nope. I will not be staying live if I do that, so I shouldn't / probably should not do that. So I'm actually gonna end the stream because I need to share my screen, so bye, and I'll be right back on.